Now members, let us see how we sketch this, the PDF and then also the C.d.f or the cumulative distribution function. So I'm going to give a simple example here. A number variable x has a parameter distribution shown below. These are the values of x and these are their corresponding parameters. Determine the cumulative distribution function. What do? We draw a simple table like this, or is this are f of x and these are the individual parameters we are talking about. Then to get the capital F of x, I sum these probabilities. So this one for f of 1, it will be always the first here, 0.1. Now when I get this plus this, I'll get f of 2, this f of capital. So when I add now this plus this, I get 0.6. Now this plus this, 0.9, and this plus this, I get a 1. So in simple terms, this is f of 1, capital F of 1, capital F of 2, capital F of 3, capital F of 4, and then capital F of 5, or which I showed you that in the last lesson. Then they ask us to get the median. Then median, this is part A. Median say is the cumulative, the value of the cumulative which is greater or equal to 0.5. So you check the value which is either 0.5 or it is the first exceed 0.5. So this one has not, this one has not, this one has is the first exceed 0.5. So it's that the value is that this one is f of 3, this one is f of 4, this is f of 5, this is f of 1, I mean f of 2, and this is f of 1. So it's that f of 3 is equaling to 0.6, which is greater than 0.5. So the corresponding value here of n, which is greater or equal to 0.5, is the value. So our median is 3. It's the median because the 3 is the one which is giving us that value. Then sketch f of x. The small f of x, we sketch it f of x against x. This f of x in simple terms, these are our probabilities. These are our probabilities, so don't get confused. So now we use a uniform scale. So you start my x here is from 1 to 5. So I'm going to say this is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then this one is that I can use the highest 0.3. So I can use 0.1 as the scale. So from 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, then this is 0.4. Like that. A uniform scale. For them now, we put them vertically. So now, when x is 1, its f of x is 0.1. So it's that I'm going to get in my ruler, then 1 and 0.1, then I put there, and I draw it like that. Then when x is 2, I'm having 0.2. When x is 2, I have 0.2. So for you, that where my 0.2 will be. When x is 3, I have 0.3. So I come 3, 0.3. Then when my x is 4, is 2, the probability is 0.3. So there. And then when my x is 5, I have 0.1. So my 0.1 is just here, 0.1. And so that's how we sketch that. Then when they are sketching, now the capital F of x or the cumulative distribution function, still we are plotting now a capital F of x against x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then here is that I can use a scale of from 0.0 to 0.1. I can use a scale of 2 to here, 0.2. So if this is 0, then this is going to be 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. No, a scale of 2, 2. If it's a scale of 2, 2, it means that now this one is going to be 0. So my scale this one is 0.2, this one is going to be 0.6, 0, 0.4, this is 0.6, 0.8, and then this will be 1. So I cover everything. Now is that my 1, distribution of 1. So now for them we sketch them horizontally. So my 0.1 is going to be somewhere here. Then you get your ruler and you draw up to when you reach at 2. So you start with 0.1. Then 2 is 0.3. Now 0.3 is going to be somewhere here. So you draw it from 2 in the middle there. So then you draw up to when you reach a 3. Like that. Use a ruler, please. Then for a 3 is 0.6. You count. Your 0.6 is here. So you get your ruler, but you stop at 4. So where this stopped is where you put, then you draw. Then from 4, our 4 is 0.9, from which is somewhere here. 0.9 somewhere in the middle there. From 4 here, so I start from there. I put my 0.9 up 5 there. Sorry, 0.9 up 5. Then my 5 starting from there up to 1. Now from here, so where I have my F of 5 to go on that side and put the arrows there, and so that will be our sketch. So you see that this one is standing here, this one is starting from there, and starting from there, and this one is also starting from there. This one is a bit exceeding, but should not exceed. So where you start from, this one starting from 4 to 5, then this one starting from 5, and then going that side there. So that's how we do our sketching. Members, I wish you well. Now we are going to see how we sketch if they are fractions. We are going to see that also. See you.